Hi guys, Joe here. This is the Brinyte PT16A. So this is the most tactical flashlight I own, and let me show you the reasons why. Right, so let me show you what you get in the box. You get the torch. Check out that bezel. And look at that tail switch. That tail switch is something different to me. I never had one that had a tail switch like this before. I'll show you that in a minute. So the box arrived a little bit battered, but everything's still okay. So you get the charging cable, the lanyard, this change in the handle. I'll show you that in a second. And what else is unique is the this sheath. This sheath is very cool, and I'll show you why in a second. You also got the instructions, some more O-rings, and the battery does come covered, so you do have to remove one of those. So here we are on low mode. This is just using the main button here. High. Okay, so you got low, medium, that, and then if you double click, strobe warning. The strobe is very aggressive. Okay, so that's that button. Turn that off. Right, the bezel on this, if you can see here, those little dots. There's 3 dots on there, which is part of the tactical bit. So you could use this to keep someone away, or do what you want with that. But there are 3 little pointy bits here. The clip, very strong clip on there. This bit here you can swap out, which I would do, and put a ring. I'll show you that in a second. Tail button here. So the big tail button goes straight to turbo, and then the other button here, it goes straight to strobe. Okay, which I think is handy. I haven't had that before. I'm glad that's on there. So the intensity on this one, you have a Luminus SFT70. The beam distance goes up to 458 meters, which is pretty good. The battery is a 5,000 milliamp rechargeable lithium battery. So you can get a runtime of 85 hours on the lowest mode. It's fast charging USB-C with a waterproof charging point, which is here. The metal is a Type 3 hardened ironized coating, so that's the finish, and has an IP68 waterproof rating. Impact resistance is 1.5 meters. It does have intelligence control, which reduces the overheating. It does have a memory mode, so it remembers the last brightness setting on this main button. Well, that's about all the features of that, or specs I wanted to give you. But let's just change this out first. I'm trying to do this behind the camera, so forgive me if I'm clumsy. I know this has to go over the old rings. This one. And then this has to match up to that, I believe, to where the lanyard is. Right there. Cool. And then just pop this back on. Right. So now you have a ring. So you can either pull it out of the holster using the ring. You could use the ring as a possibly self-defense. Again, this being the tactical part. There's different ways of holding this. Using the ring, I'm not that cool with that. But, I would just use it like that. And then, if you want, use a strobe. Or just use that. That's how I would use it and hold it that way. But again, this is probably the most tactical one I have. Again, this is the Brinyte PT16A. It's a very cool flashlight. Let me just show you the holster. These things are also very handy. I use them for strapping in my rucksacks. So don't keep these, don't throw them away. On the holster itself, all right, so when you put the torch in there, so it goes like this, right? So if the torch goes on mistake, if you press the wrong button, there's a hole in the bottom, so at least you can see that. Grabbing it by the ring and just pulling it out is really quick and easy. Also on the back here, and has this little belt clip. That belt clip swivels, so you can have this on your belt like so, and then turn it on and then swivel it, so you can get a hands-free kind of action on your hip. I have used that in the past when I was at work doing security. It is quite handy. And then you have a bit here which you could put maybe a spare battery or something else, but nice little pouch on each side. Again, it's very tactical, very cool. I thought you guys might like that. Again, the torch, I think is, it's still brand new. It's going to be a little bit stiff. But yeah, the torch, I think it's pretty cool. I like this. Okay. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. This is, again, the Brinyte PT16A. Very cool grip on it as well. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you next video. Let me know. Don't forget to watch these other videos and make sure you subscribe. See you next one. Bye.